talk about this audition who una do for una dance troupe, we don't notice say the people who una enlist for am na from Edo Jobs and they bring them home. Wetin be the collaboration? Wetin be the thing wey dey between art and culture with Edo Jobs? How these things, how una take waka together?
Oh, okay. Thank you for that question. You know, say now one government today, the governor will put everything from one place so that everything, all the ministry, all the MDAs, they work together. So the audition we do last month, I come tell Oga say we need young people for the art council. The people where they do our cultural troupe, where they do those drumming, where they do Babanemi for us, where they do all those different states arts. So I can say the people they do and they don't advance more. So we need young blood. So I can't tell Oga say make we recruit young people. So Oga can say okay, make I work with the Edo Job. You know, say Edo Job portal now where people where they find work, they go register. So anybody will never register now, they find work, you go register for Edo Job online. They will get your details, they get everything with your qualification. Even though you don't go to school, even though you don't graduate, put everything there. So when job opportunity come out, when you relate to what you learn, now you the first contact. You will say we not go television, go radio, go say we dey find people. Because we don't already get that portal. That be the relationship with the Edo Job. Because everything they there. It's not for me to go announce for radio, say I need 30 people for art council, the ministry need 30 people. No. So we just tell the special advisor for Edo Job, Uki, another very good, hard-working woman, say, see what your guys say make we do, I need 30 people. So you know, say, okay, they'll invite 200 people from that portal, that Edo Job portal, and they carry come. So I carry specialists, people who don't do the artwork, plus the ministry's director and the PS, will be in the Sudan audition, do the audition for those 200 people for that day. So among that 200 people, we will take 30, we will employ. Government will give them full-time employment, not be ad hoc. They will be permanent staff for state government under the Ministry of Art Council. Then they go train them for those cultural troops, train them to do drum, this area where they need them. All the directors and those people who don't deal with us since, they will train them well for like 2 weeks and they will follow the waka. Because the target now to make that art council revive them, it will be the best for the country. So that anywhere anybody they go, they will say they need Benin Art Council. Because most of the things they do now private ones, now they use since. No problem with them, everybody will stay there. But as commission and as a ministry and as government, it's good they could get our own, train them well, so that they will reach. You know, say we reach for culture. They will defeat the display. They will display a real culture, display Asian culture, display Isako culture, all one culture. So many ones they will teach them. So that be the work we do last time. So like I say, this one will expose our children. You know, will make them think say they want the past Libya route or think of crime. So because we'll give them exposure, give them work, and give them a sense of belonging. So anywhere Mr. Governor they go, I will push them, they will follow up. Any entertainment, now they will represent us. So that be the idea.